In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deploy a Laravel project on Vercel. First, open your browser and go to the Vercel website. Sign in to your account using your email address, and you'll land on your dashboard. On the dashboard, click Add New, then choose Project. This starts the flow for creating a project from an existing repository. You'll arrive on a page that lists repositories from your connected Git provider. Choose the repository that contains your Laravel application. If this is your first time, Vercel may ask for permission to access your repositories so it can read them. Before moving on, make sure the repository is up to date, your Laravel code lives where you expect, and composer.json is present since that file tells Vercel how to install your PHP dependencies. Next, click Import on that repository. Vercel will display a configuration screen so you can review settings before going live. If you're using a monorepo, confirm the root directory points to the correct Laravel subfolder. Look over the detected options and keep the defaults if they match your project, or adjust them to fit. This is also the place to think about environment variables. Your .env file should not be committed to Git. Instead, add any required variables in Vercel's environment variables area now, or you can add them after the project is created. That keeps secrets out of your code while allowing the app to read them at runtime. When everything looks good, click Deploy. You'll move to a deployment page with live logs that show each step as it runs. Vercel will provision infrastructure, install dependencies, run any build processes it detects, and then assign a unique preview URL. When the status turns ready, open that URL to verify your Laravel app loads as expected and key pages respond correctly. From this page, you can jump to your project settings to manage domains, add or edit environment variables, and tweak configuration as your needs evolve. From now on, every push to the selected branch will trigger a fresh deployment automatically, keeping your site in sync with your latest changes. And that's it. With a few clicks, you imported your repository, reviewed the settings, and deployed. Your Laravel project is now live on Vercel.